your curves, your scent, your eyes are making it hard to get to know ya. Cause you fill the silence with the language of my heart. So we never get to.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Casey. If this isn't your first time here, welcome back to my channel. It is snowing where we live. Well, it snowed this morning and all of last night, which literally never happens. So my sister and I are all bundled up. We're gonna go play out in the snow. She's making fun of me because I'm wearing like 4 shirts right now.
I fall asleep at night, holding the pillow like it's your body next
so
to mine.
deep.
I say it's fine, but that's a bad excuse. I dream of kissing you.
My shoe is so snowy.
Don't wanna face the truth that I keep making every bad excuse. This ain't even love yet. I can't help but love you. I tell myself to stop, but I can't stop it. Oh no, I can't control myself the way I am it. No, it can't be good, 'cause it feels so good. I know what's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. I tell myself to quit, but I can't quit it. I'm way too into how I'm getting too addicted. No, it can't be good, 'cause it feels too good. I know what's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. My favorite song comes on, I hear you singing loudly. No, you're not really there, so then I roll my windows down and cruise. I'm smelling your cologne, it kinda hasn't hit me. I'm actually alone. Say you're the one my friends say I'm confused.
You guys, I cannot see my camera right now because it is so bright out here, but these are my sister and I's snow angels. I hope you like them. They are gorgeous, and now there's a breeze, so I'm gonna go in because it's cold. Okay guys, so we are back inside. We got a little bit chilly outside, but it was totally worth it. We were attempting to make a snowman, but the snow would not stick together for us to make a snowman. So that was a fail, but we ended up making snow angels,
yes,
which wasn't. We did have a small snowball fight, so it wasn't a complete disaster.
It was fun.
You guys, I feel like I haven't vlogged like at all today, but I just finished my violin lesson. My best friend came over for a little bit because they are without power and she needed to do a class, so she came over and then I had my violin lesson. And now I vlogged yesterday, so I'm going to, I think, start getting all of those videos onto my computer and maybe start editing, but I don't know if I'm going to go out and start editing or not yet. But go check out that vlog. I will have it linked down below. And yeah, so I'm going to go start editing. So I'm editing my vlog, and I realize that all of the videos that I put on here, normally when I insert them into my editor, it is in the same order that I recorded them. But today, it has decided to be all out of orders. Hey guys, so I've only vlogged like 5 minutes of today and my camera is out of focus. Okay, that's a tiny bit better. So I feel like I've only vlogged like 5 minutes today, but whatever. I am done with editing. Not like done editing, like I didn't finish the video or anything. I was just getting so frustrated because the videos were all out of order. So I just decided to not edit that one at this moment, just put it on pause. So I think gonna go get a snack, and then I think I'm gonna shower. I might take a warm bath, but I don't know. It's just obnoxious because now I need to go in and put them all in the right order. Okay guys, so our bathroom is an absolute mess. I think I mentioned that in a vlog or 2 ago. So I'm gonna clean it up real quick because we have people coming over tonight, so we're gonna clean it. We cleaned it super speedy, quick.
I'm gonna go take these out to the kitchen.
We might organize the top and the bottom later if time permits. Now we're gonna clean out this disaster.
It's so bad.
It's really bad. We are done. It looks so much better.
We're just straightening up the last few things.
Yeah, we ended up making a little bit more of a mess up here, so we need to straighten that up. But then we are done. Okay guys, so we are literally preparing for the worst. If you haven't heard, I look like trash. I have not brushed my hair today, but apparently looking like trash is just the whole theme of this video, so it's fine. But if you haven't heard, all of Texas is having a major snowstorm, and we are losing power like crazy. Currently, I am very thankful we still have power, but we don't have internet, and it's a little bit stressful. So right now we are taking all of our precautions. We have filled up buckets just in case we lose water. It's a time. I love living in the South. It's my favorite. It's still so snowy, you guys. I'm probably gonna go out later before it all melts because it's supposed to get up above freezing. So I might go out and take some pictures later of the snow because I don't know, we never really get snow here, so I think it'd be pretty to go get pictures of the snow. Also, because all of the trees are frozen, I can hear whenever the wind blows because it blows the trees, and because they're all frozen, it like creaks a little bit. It's kind of creepy. It was happening last night and it freaked me out a tiny bit. But it is still so gorgeous out there, you guys.
Why are you filming me? Of all people.
So my sister and I are going through some old stuff from my childhood, and look at how much of an artist I was.
Dang, you shoddy.
I know.
Picasso
So
ain't got nothing. Ain't got nothing on her art skills.
Oh, yes, look at that car. Look at my
Skyline
cousins. Artiste.
I like the yellow skin choice.
Yeah.
That's all we had back in the day.
Back in the day, we didn't have no skin-toned colored crayons.
Nope.
Oh, yes, look at that dog.
That house is really, structurally
It's something else. Okay guys, so my sister and I are about to venture out into the cold. We're gonna go run our cars for a little bit, and I'm gonna go take some pictures. So Leah's car doors are frozen over. We can also hear the trees moving.
Yeah, it's creepy.
Because they're all iced over. You guys, so last night, Leah and I were looking out of our front window and we saw a fox over there. And it looks like there's, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it looks like there's little footprints. And we think they're fox footprints. You guys, look at how big this icicle is. That's crazy.
I can't help but love it. Oh my, tell myself to stop it. I can't stop it. Oh no, can't control myself.
Hey guys, what is up? It is now Thursday, you guys. I feel like I haven't really been vlogging a lot this week, but it's fine. I just cleaned my mirrors in my, well, I've cleaned 2 of the mirrors in my room. I have 1 more to clean. Look at how gross this one was. Like, I knew that it was bad, but I didn't realize it was that bad. Look at my car. I'm taking Leah to work and it's all frozen. All frozen! Okay guys, we are pulling the whole filming in the, whatever this thing is called. My grandmother asked me if I would run her car for a minute. I just took Leah to work and I was going off really quick, like 5 miles per hour, you guys. So, as you can tell, I am not used to the icy roads. But yeah, I am warming up my grandmother's car for a minute just to make sure that it still runs smoothly and all of that. So yeah, we about to head back in. Leah made a couple of snowmen on her car last night, or whenever we came out to play in the snow. I think it was Monday. They're super cute. Okay guys, so I finally got my vlog all scheduled. So if you haven't seen it yet, make sure you go check it out. I will have it linked below. Leah's trying to migrate through and take one of our buckets of water into here. guys, this is the best water pressure we've had in days. You guys, it is Friday. This is bringing us to the end of this week. I feel like I have not vlogged a lot this week and I feel so sorry for it. But anyways, I'm not going to vlog a lot today either. It is my best friend's birthday, so I am going to go spend the day with her and spend the day tomorrow with her as well. So I'm going to go shower real quick with the trash water pressure that we still have.
Always looking for the way in this bubble, lost, but it feels so safe. We're playing a game. Make your move now before it's too late. Never been a believer in fate. Know that I should break out of this cold haze. Done waiting, I'm changing. Make your move now before it's too late.
And you guys, I am off to my best friend's to celebrate her birthday. I won't be back until tomorrow night. I'm probably going to continue this vlog until tomorrow night, so I will see y'all tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is now Monday. I said I was going to be back on Saturday, and then I got home from my best friend's house and I was just really tired, so I didn't actually finish the vlog. So I hope all of you enjoyed this vlog. I feel like I have not vlogged a lot this week, but you have a couple of snippets here and there throughout the week. That being said, I hope all of you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see all of you next time. Bye!